Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use nose touch-up on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So first of all, just open a project on your app, and if you want to set the nose touch-up, just go to the lower bar, tap to the touch-up option next to the eyes. You can find the nose button and just click to the white icon and just pull on the line, and you can set the strength of the nose touch-up. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.